Hi, butterfly. So for today's craft, you guys are going to be, we guys are going to be making a refrigerator. Okay, so we're going to need construction paper and markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you have. Okay, so to start off, what shape is a refrigerator? It has two long sides, and two short. What shape is that? If you have a refrigerator at home, go check and tell me what shape is it. If you said rectangle, you are correct. Hold on, baby. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. So, we're going to start off by drawing our refrigerator, which is two parts. You guys can try to draw the refrigerator that you have at home. The refrigerator that I have is a top part and a bottom part. The top part is for the freezer, for cold items, and the bottom is for refrigerated items. So, I'm going to break my fridge into two pieces. Okay, so right here's my fridge. Right here's where I'm gonna put the cold stuff, the frozen stuff, and then right here's gonna put this cold stuff. So, tell me, guys, what healthy fruits can you put in your refrigerator? In my refrigerator, I like to put some blueberries, some cherries, and strawberries. I'll show you my fridge right now. I also like to put some vegetables like lettuce, celery, which is also green, some broccoli, which is a little greener, what else? What else should I put in my refrigerator? Some potatoes. Okay. And in the freezer, what goes in the freezer? This is my fridge. Okay. So make sure, go ahead. You can look into your fridge right now. Look inside your fridge, see what healthy foods you have in there, and draw it in your refrigerator, okay? Make sure you post your activity on ClassTech so that I can see that you're doing your work. And I'll see you guys in the afternoon, okay? Bye.